I have been here since 1981, working in Fresno, paying taxes in Fresno. My opponent has made an issue of being born and raised in Fresno County. I've lived in Fresno County almost as long as he's been alive. In about 2007 or 2008, I decided at that time that I wanted to be a judge. However, I was a prosecutor, and the extent of my legal experience to that time was as a prosecutor, and I knew that if I wanted to be a fair, balanced, and well-educated judge, I needed to get experience on areas of law other than prosecution. I think it's important for judges to be seen out in the community. Almost every time you see a judge is when you come to court, and when you come to court, obviously you're in a stressful environment, and it's important that judges be seen out in the community so that they can interact with citizens who are not in court. I think it's important for a judge to be well-versed in many areas of the law. As a litigant, when you go to court, it's your hope that your judge understands your area of the law and has actually had experience in your position when you're in court. When I was a young prosecutor, I saw that judges who had the most experience in other areas of law were actually the best judges. After all, if you are a litigant and you come to court, isn't it your hope that your judge has had experience in your area of the law? That's what separates me from my opponent. As a prosecutor, I was required to take an ethics course, and it was basically a professionalism course. Part of the professionalism and ethics that we were instructed on was the requirement that we provide discovery or provide the evidence we have in our possession to the other side, whether or not we thought it was important. The decision to turn it over is basically required for prosecutors. An unethical prosecutor, unethical attorney in general, is an attorney who will withhold evidence because they believe it is going to hurt their case or because they just want to win at any cost. That is a bright line rule on ethics. And as a judge, if I encounter an attorney who violates an ethical code, that attorney would and should be reported to the state bar. Hi, I'm Roger Wolfen. I'm running for Fresno County Superior Court Judge, seat number 4. I'm the most qualified, fair, and experienced candidate in the race. Please vote for me on June 5th.